What did one snowman say to the other? Do you smell carrots? Well, I might not be making snowman cookies today, but that is a joke that comes out every Easter in my family. So here I am sharing it with you. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats. And if you want to decorate cookies together or learn about cookie decorating, you're in the right place. Today I'm decorating carrot sugar cookies for Easter set. And to start out with, I'm using a tip 101 petal tip, and I've kind of pinched the end with some pliers so that it's nice and flat. And I'm just touching down and going back and forth in a wavy kind of up and down motion, going up one side and down the other to make some big royal icing leaves for this cookie. The more you wiggle it back and forth, the roughlier your leaves will be. And then I grabbed my orange icing in about a 15-second consistency, and I just outlined the entire carrot, and I'm just going to flood that in. And because my icing is a 15-second consistency, I can go all the way to the edge of my outline without worrying about it flooding over. So go ahead and use your 15-second flood consistency royal icing to fill in the entire sugar cookie carrot, and then use your scribe to settle the icing down and get it out to the edges if needed. Then I let my cookie dry for about 15 or 20 minutes. Now I'm coming back in and I'm just placing some little lines on the carrot, making sure to wipe off my tip in between each line. And I am still using my 15-second flood icing here to do this. And if you cut too big of a hole in your bag and you want skinnier lines, you can just pop your piping bag inside a new bag and cut a smaller hole. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful carrot sugar cookie for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe. I look forward to decorating more sugar cookies with you. See you in the next one.